Learn English through story. Friendship and perseverance. Once in a bustling city, two friends, Suma and Mona, faced challenging times. Both were aspiring writers but struggled to get published. Suma often felt disheartened, while Mona remained optimistic, constantly reminding Suma that perseverance was key. One summer, they set a goal to write and submit a short story each week to various publishers. They encouraged each other, reviewed each other's work, and celebrated small victories. Rejections poured in, but they used them as a fuel to improve. Months passed, and one day Suma received an acceptance letter. Her story was going to be published in a renowned magazine. Mona was ecstatic for her friend, saying, "Your success is our success." This motivated Suma to keep pushing, and she reciprocated by supporting Mona even more. Soon, Mona's dedication paid off too. She received a call from a publisher interested in her work. They laughed, cried, and celebrated together, realizing their dreams were coming true. Their journey taught them that success isn't about instant results, but about persistence, support, and believing in each other. Through their unwavering friendship and determination, Suma and Mona not only achieved their dreams but also inspired each other to reach new heights. The moral of the story is that perseverance, mutual support, and unwavering belief in each other are essential for overcoming challenges and achieving success.